What's up, guys? Josh here. Remember to like and subscribe. We're taking a look at crypto today. I posted a video on Bitcoin. Gonna post this one as well. God willing, here pretty soon. This is on Dogecoin, which I know has been all the rage recently. So I wanted to do some chart analysis here. So it might look like there's not much to work with on the chart here, but there actually is. So let me show you guys. So obviously it rallied up here and sat around 5 cents for a long time relatively to the duration of this chart, which is 6 months. And then everybody saw the monstrous rally here. It actually even reached a high, then a higher high, which is pretty impressive. And then it tried to stop at a higher low than the previous low, but it didn't, right? We fell right through. Now you got this air gap down to the 5 cent mark. Now, let me show you something though for where I think this pattern might go. What typically happens with these kind of excitement rallies is that they look like this. GameStop, another stock you guys are probably highly familiar with. GameStop did similar. The difference here is that GameStop had a high and then a lower high, right? You guys had a high and then a higher high on the Doge side, but it fell the whole way back down to pretty much where it started the ramp up. So you'd expect Doge to do the same, but then it had another rally, right? Because then people who missed it on the first time want to get in. People start to fire it up again and you get another ramp. And then what happens typically is you end up in a wedge and you end up with a lower high because people are like, oh, this is my chance to sell, who bought it up here. And then you end up with a higher low because you're like, oh, I better get in because it's going to rally again, lower high, higher low, blah, blah, until it just consolidates. And then it'll get to a meeting point, which is pretty much what GameStop's at right now, where it'll have to make a decision. But you can trade this channel, which is similar to what Doge would look like if it ends up dropping the whole way down. Then you could see this channel form. You never know how long it's going to sit back down here or if it's ever going to come back. Some of the other guys, Nokia, BlackBerry, those kind of guys that were in the Reddit trade never really made the comeback and form the wedge. But if you want to take another swing at it, I would look at it again around 5 cents and try and catch the rally. I hope this helps, guys. Enjoy the day.